Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your BMW X3 sunroof. First, locate your vehicle's fuse box and check the sunroof fuse, as a blown fuse is a common cause of electrical failures. Next, listen carefully for any unusual grinding or clicking sounds when attempting to open or close the sunroof. Then, visually inspect the sunroof tracks for any debris or obstructions that might be hindering movement. Finally, test the sunroof control switch to ensure it responds correctly to your commands. Now, let's diagnose common sunroof problems. Water leaks are frequently caused by clogged drainage tubes or worn-out rubber seals around the sunroof. If your sunroof fails to operate, it could be due to an electrical issue, such as a bad switch or a malfunctioning motor. A sunroof that is stuck might have mechanical obstructions in its tracks or misaligned components. Also, inspect the plastic cassette mechanism for any stress cracks, which are a known issue. When it comes to repairs, start by clearing clogged drain tubes with compressed air or a thin wire to resolve leaks. For smooth operation, lubricate the tracks with a silicone-based spray, avoiding petroleum jelly. If the motor is faulty, replacement typically involves carefully lowering the headliner to access it. For a stuck panoramic sunroof, you might need to manually close it using a pick tool and modify the track slides, often by cutting a small ear on the plastic piece. To prevent future sunroof issues, regular maintenance is key. Clean the sunroof glass and the surrounding rubber gasket with a lint-free cloth. Lubricate the rubber gasket several times a year using a silicone-based product to maintain its seal. Ensure the drainage tubes remain clear of leaves and debris to prevent water leaks. Finally, after any repairs or a battery replacement, perform a sunroof reset by holding the tilt button for about 30 seconds until the motor cycles completely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.